What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Courtside Financial. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any videos, and make sure you hit the like button because that really helps the channel out a lot. Today we're going to be talking about NIO stock. I do have a position in NIO stock. None of this is financial advice. This is just me sharing my research and my ideas with you guys. It's super important to make sure you do your own research and come to your own conclusions. It is 10:51 a.m. Eastern Time over here in Michigan, and the stock is trading at $7.58, up about 3.4% for the day. As I've mentioned many times on this channel, before Baillie Gifford and Tencent up their stakes, at the top of these institutions is the Baillie Gifford management firm, which holds 101.74 million shares worth around $202 million. They own about 63.59% of the company's outstanding shares. So all these big institutions clearly believe in NIO, and I don't think that they're just gambling their money. I think that they're putting their money into a business that could potentially be the next huge thing. The institutional holdings should serve as a reminder to good investors. Baillie Gifford and Tencent know a lot more than you and I. We're retail investors. Those are the pros. They have access to information and people that we don't have access to. Our advantage is that we can pick our time horizons and we don't have to set dates for when we're looking to achieve certain returns. But that isn't to say that you should just blindly follow Baillie Gifford or Tencent. You still need to do your own research and know as much information as you can with what's available to you. But anyways, to get into the video, Baillie Gifford pretty much has the same bullish thesis that I have. The biggest thing that popped out to me, and if you're subscribed to my channel, you know this, is that they believe the technology business could be a cash cow for NIO. That's exactly what I was thinking when I heard that interview where William Lee said that they don't mind sharing their technology with other players in the industry and leasing it out to them as a battery as a service type thing. Knowing that, I instantly saw that it could potentially bring in a ton of revenue for NIO. And obviously a lot of investors were thinking the same way, which is why if you go on Baillie Gifford's website, then that's going to be there in the information. So they actually set a price target of $300, which I think is extremely optimistic and bullish on the stock, but this is one of the reasons why I'm not selling these shares short term. I'm holding them long term. It doesn't make sense for me to sell a company for $10 when it could potentially 9x or more over the years. So I'm being patient, but you have to know that NIO is trading on a premium. It's trading on future expectations right now, and we've been on a pretty bullish run lately. So any bad news could really crash the stock. So that's one thing that you have to be aware of. Don't get intoxicated by the gains. If the stock does end up crashing, I know exactly what I'm doing. I'm going to buy more. That's why I always say to keep cash on the sideline. Don't go too heavy in a position. Now the stock is actually flying today because Tencent announced that they increased their stake to a 15.1% stake. Tencent is one of the biggest names in business globally. So when they make a decision to put hundreds of millions of dollars into a company, there's a lot of R&D and meetings that go into those type of things. They don't just happen overnight or on a whim. Go watch my video on what I think are the 3 biggest concerns or risk as an investor in NIO, and make sure you keep those things in mind when you're investing in this stock. It still has a long way to go and a lot to prove. That was it for today's video. Make sure you hit the like button, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.